All right, kindergarten, it is time to spell and shout your sight words. So this one's sports themed, so that means you are going to scroll through. I want you to say each word and spell it. And then if you are feeling like you want to, then you can do the activity of the picture it's showing. So pretend like you're dribbling a ball. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Football, you can be throwing it. Toss that ball like a football. And again, it's just pretend. You're just pretending. Then you're going to spell with. If, W-I-T-H, spells with. And then you can pretend to be kicking a soccer ball. Let's go to the next one. Oh, tennis. But let's focus on this sight word. It says N-O-T. N-O-T spells not, right? And then you can pretend you have a racket, tennis racket in your hand, and go ahead and smack a tennis ball. Then scroll to the next. Oh, that's swimming. And this has the sight word A-S. A-S says as. Good job. And then you can pretend you're swimming, splash that water and swim, swim, swim. And then we have, baseball. But let's focus on this sight word. It has a Y-O-U. Y-O-U spells you. Good job. And then you can pretend you have a bat in your hand and you are going to swing it for the fences. Good. Oh, gymnastics. We have W-H-A-T. W-H-A-T spells what. Good. What. And what is that picture up there for our sports thing? It is gymnastics. You can pretend that you are doing some gymnastics. Maybe some of my girls or boys want to go ahead and do like a cartwheel if you have enough room in your learning space. What's the next word? R. Oh, R. And that is a volleyball. A-R-E spells R. And then for our activity, you can pretend like you are hitting a volleyball. Let's go to the next word. If. I-F spells if. Good. Oh, and that's track, so you can pretend to go red. Run, 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 run in place. Let's go to the next word. Oh, golf. I have A-N. A-N spells and. Good. And you can go ahead and pretend you have a golf club and then swing and try to hit that golf ball. All right. So that is our sight words for today's activity. I want you to spell each one, say it out loud, and then if you feel like you want to get moving, go ahead and do some of these activities to get your body moving. All right? Good job.